right, welcome to week 3 in our journey through data visualizations. Now that we have a grounding in how to get our data into Tableau, deal with the different file types, we have some basic core understanding about pivot tables and calculations in Excel, or G-Sheets as a very similar product to Excel. We're going to move on to tables, calculations, and accessibility. Now, why are we talking about tables and calculations in the first place? Well, tables, even though a lot of data visualization is about making pretty charts, we also have to know how to make our tables in a way that is easily read and processed by others. A lot of times, data is actually too complex, or we need to be very, very specific. And sometimes a table is simply the best way to get our information across. And sometimes it's just expected because of the norms around whatever you're presenting. Okay, so there's a lot of reasons why you end up having to have tables inside of data visualization spaces. Calculations you need to know because not all of your numbers are necessarily going to be in your original data set, and also it's required for the project. And accessibility, we're going to talk about how to make tables and other visuals accessible, talking about like color and shapes and sizes and all the different choices that we have. Because there's so much, I'm not going to go deep into how to do them all in Tableau. This week, I'm going to give you the foundations on that, and then just play a little bit with Tableau, and then as we go through the rest of the quarter, as these things come up, we'll point them out and play around with them and see what we can see about making our visualizations better. All right, so prep work for this week. We are pulling from 3 different sources. We're starting off with the hands-on data visualization book, then moving into the fundamentals of data visualization book, and then wrapping up with a Tableau your data. There's material in the lecture that are not from the books, so those you'll just have to pull from me. I typically cite sources in the notes to make sure that you are actually downloading the PowerPoints and adding notes on your own and accessing the notes that I have in there. All right, here we go.